how to fix Valorant Error Code 57. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant Error Code 57. This error usually points to an issue with the Vanguard anti-cheat system, but the fix is pretty straightforward. So first, click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type scdelete VGC, and then press Enter. After you see the success message, type scdelete VGK, and hit Enter again. Once that's done, you can close the command window. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive, then go to Program Files and scroll down to find the Riot Vanguard folder. Right-click on it and delete it. If you get a message saying it can't be deleted because it's open, make sure Vanguard is fully closed. Right-click its icon from the system tray and select Exit. Then try deleting the folder again. After that, launch the Riot client and sign into your account. Instead of the usual Play button under Valorant, you'll now see an option to update. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, the error should be resolved. Now try launching Valorant again, and error code 57 should be gone for good. Alright guys, that's all for this guide. I hope this helped you fix error code 57 and get back into the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.